Welcome to Autoperfekt Quick Guides. Today we are going to talk about our wheel cleaner. How are you starting the videos? Because I liked it but I keep forgetting it. What else is on the f***ing board?
That was it. That's all that we've written down, so all that stuff you've just said is none of that.
Cool. Caustic pills clear coat. Right, just pause it. Like all of our Autoperfekt products, these are formulated for guys, not guys, because girls can use it too. I never have a problem doing these. It's because I'm trying to script it, because normally I just go at mind right, f*** this. Welcome to Autoperfekt Quick Guides. Today we are going to talk about our wheel cleaner. Now, like all of our Autoperfekt products, when we formulate and design these products, they are designed for cars with ceramic coatings, or bikes, or trucks, or whatever, with coatings and waxes on them. We want to give you the absolute maximum cleaning power while protecting your either clear coat, or your coatings, or your waxes on your vehicle. Now, it is a ready-to-use product and is available in 1 litre. It's a caustic-free formula, so if you do have painted alloys, or if you don't have any coatings, you don't have to worry about leaving this product on and it causing a defect to your wheels. It's got a ridiculously high degreasing power, so especially for here, us in Scotland, that's why we design these products. It's great for cutting into the road salt, it's great for cutting into the road grime, and it's just an absolutely fantastic product. You don't want to hear me talk about the product, you want to see it working. So now I'm going to pass you on to Paul and he'll show you. That was close.
Welcome to Autoperfekt Quick Guides. This is the instruction video on how to use our Autoperfekt Wheel Cleaner. So, as described by Callum, the Auto Wheel Cleaner is safe on any ceramic coatings or waxes that you may have on your wheels. The wheels that you see here have been recently refurbished. Now, the normal process would be to rinse the wheel off and get as much of the heaviest dirt and grime off the wheel as you can before applying your wheel cleaner. However, we're confident of the ready-to-use product that we provide that will be completely safe on this and remove all the dirt and grime that you can see here. So we're just going to go ahead and use it. We'll leave it for about 3 to 5 minutes to 12 and then we'll rinse it off. Now obviously the instructions for the product are all on the back of the bottle, and that was one wee thing that just took right up.